Alaikum warahmatullahi friends. One hadith, one story. Today's story title is The Morsel. Besim was a very good child. His father was wealthy, so he had everything he wanted. But he knew nothing about how less fortunate people lived. One day, as he was going to go and play football, a dog started to chase him. He ran very fast, but the dog caught him in a narrow alley. Just then, Besim stumbled over a stone and fell down. When he opened his eyes, he saw a boy about his own age and the boy's mother. The mother was dressing his wounds. They had saved him from the dog and took him to their home to clean his wounds. Besim thanked them. He was very surprised when he saw their home. Their furniture was very simple and ordinary. When he sat down to share dinner with them, he was very uncomfortable. He felt that every bite he ate stuck in his throat. The next day, Besim took some food prepared by his mother to the boy and his mother. Then he ate dinner with them. This time he felt better about what he ate. Soon the two boys became good friends. Besim was a merciful and kind child, and this is why he behaved in accordance with the following hadith of our beloved Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The person who is sated while his or her neighbors are hungry is not a Muslim. Friends, I hope you like the story. Always look after your neighbors. This pleases Allah and our beloved Prophet. Jazakallah for watching. Allah Hafiz.